And we're back. This time I'm going to show you a very simple method to create 3D text in Adobe Illustrator. Let us use the type tool. I only want to have a fill color and no stroke. And then I resize it. I hold Shift and Alt while I do so. And I use this font. The font doesn't really play a role, but it's Bauhaus 93. And I have aligned it properly. Let me give it a different color, maybe this turquoise. And now I press Ctrl C and Ctrl B, so I've created a copy in the background and they're placed on top of each other. I give one of them this color, it's a darker turquoise, then right click, arrange and send to back. And now I use the arrow keys to the right 3 times and downwards 3 times. And that's it. We already have created kind of a 3D effect that way. You can see right here to the right and downwards. Let me put it on top and I hold Alt and drag a copy out of it. Because we can adjust it slightly, I give the top text a stroke, a white one. Only 1 point, that's enough. And here you can see the difference. It's another way to create a simple effect that looks like 3D. Let me create a background with a rectangle and I give it maybe a red color. The color doesn't play a role. And I select this one, hold Alt, drag a copy out of it, and you can see it applied on the background, but I have to bring it to the front. So right click, arrange, bring to front, and here it is. So now you can see the stroke a little bit better. One final effect that we can create with this method. I need more copies, the background and this text. Let me position everything like this for now. And now I'll select the top text with the stroke and I get rid of it. And I want to use the text in the back and give that one a black stroke and then bring that back again. So arrange, send to back. And now I put the background behind it. And this is another effect. Now you can see the stroke applied to the text on the back. And these are simple 3D effects you can recreate within seconds using this method in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.